A gorgeous custom-built single-story home situated in a desirable neighborhood in Turlock City. This beautifully maintained home features 4 bedrooms, 4 baths, an office, a surround ceiling speakers, a central vacuum. A meticulously appointed kitchen is truly a chef delight with abundant custom cabinetry, an oversized high-ceiling 3-car garage with a basketball ring, a covered patio with a large heated pool and jacuzzi that is great for entertaining, and many more. The seller installed about $80,000 worth of upgrade for central heat and air, tankless water heater, water treatment system, plantation shutters so you can enjoy the winter cold and summer heat all year round. Be the next proud owner and enjoy residential bliss and enviable luxuriousness in this exquisite home. Thank you for your viewing.